Hey everyone, thanks for being here. So today let's have a look at Elgato Light Strip Pro. This is an evolution of the existing light strip, which is on the market from some years now. So this is kind of a renewal of that strip, and as we can see here the color is black. So let me open the box and check what we have inside. Some papers, the strip itself, the controller, which should be now compatible with Wi-Fi 5 GHz finally, and we have some other papers, and should be here the power adapter. Here it goes, the power adapter, and here we have also some tape and some adapters in case you want to add some other strips. So connecting the strips is really easy. You can connect this side on here when you can see the tapping that strip. Once we have done here, we can connect the power. As we can see here, we can cut this strip if we want, if the length that we want is enough, and then we can cut it here as we can see on this picture. So this is also useful. I think we can do this on pretty all the strips. So let's grab the phone and check how we can set up the app for this strip. As we can see here, you go on your Wi-Fi network and then you connect to your accessory, and here we have the accessory will be asking us to choose one of the networks. I'm choosing mine here, and then you can click next, and the accessory is going to join the Wi-Fi that we want to join. In this case, this is a specific Wi-Fi. You can choose the Wi-Fi you want. Now, one thing while we're waiting here for the accessory to connect to Wi-Fi, if you have some sort of MAC filtering or MAC address lists on whatever else you have on your Wi-Fi, if you have those kind of stuffs, then be aware that once you have those kind of lists or accessories or whatever else settings, particular settings you have, you should disable for the moment those settings in order to allow the LED strip to connect to your Wi-Fi, which by the way, this LED strip is compatible with the Wi-Fi 5 GHz. Alright guys, once you install the strip and connect it to your app using your phone, you can use also your PC or Mac or whatever, but here we are checking the settings on the phone, and as we can see here, we can check colors, we can activating scenes. As we can see from this button here, there are 10 presets from scenes you can change, and you can modify all the scenes. You can add also other scenes if you want, and you can also leave a static color if you prefer. And here we can, with this ladder here, we can decide to change the lighting and so on.